Ever pondered over the intricate complexities of cost optimization in PCBA test fixture design? Well, let's dive into this fascinating world. In the realm of electronics manufacturing, PCBA or printed circuit board assembly, test fixture design holds a critical role. It's the unsung hero that ensures the functionality and reliability of our beloved electronic devices. From the smartphone that wakes you up in the morning to the smartwatch tracking your fitness, all owe their existence to well-designed PCBAs. But the journey from a PCB design to a fully functioning device isn't a walk in the park. It's a tightrope walk, balancing performance and budget. Cost optimization in PCBA test fixture design is a labyrinth, one that requires skill, knowledge, and a keen eye for detail. It's about making the right choices to maximize efficiency without breaking the bank. As we delve deeper, you'll uncover the art of maneuvering through the labyrinth of cost optimization in PCBA test fixture design. Stepping into the world of cost optimization, what hurdles do we stumble upon? When it comes to the cost optimization of PCBA test fixture design, we face a myriad of challenges. First off, the fixtures themselves can be quite expensive, especially when we consider the need for multiple fixtures for different board designs. This multiplicity not only escalates costs, but also adds complexity to the whole process. Moreover, the time and resources required for the design and manufacturing of these fixtures can be substantial, further straining budgets. This is to say nothing of the continuous changes in electronic designs which necessitate constant fixture redesigns. Yes, the world of electronics is always evolving, always improving, and this means that our test fixtures must also adapt. This constant adaptation, while necessary, can be a significant drain on resources. Indeed, the path to cost optimization in PCBA test fixture design seems riddled with obstacles. But is there a way to streamline this process? Enter our